Hi students, today we are starting our chapter number 6, that is molecular basis of inheritance. Actually this is the part of biotechnology. After that in unit 9 again 2 chapters will come related to biotechnology. So this is the first part of biotechnology and chapter's name is molecular basis of inheritance. We are starting with terminology of this chapter. Terminology means which terms are going to use for this chapter. We should be aware about them. Transcription. Process of formation of RNA from DNA is known as transcription. Translation. Process of protein synthesis. Histones. Set of positively charged basic proteins. Chromatin. Thread-like stained bodies seen in the nucleus, they are known as chromatin. Now here we will see, this is chromosome, this is chromatin fiber, these are proteins, these are bead-like structure present on DNA, and this is double helical structure of DNA. Nucleic acid means DNA and RNA, first of all isolated by Friedrich Mischer in the 1868, and they are of two types, that is DNA and RNA. DNA is known as deoxyribonucleic acid and RNA is known as ribonucleic acid. Now first we will understand difference between DNA and RNA. You can see in what manner RNA and DNA. These are nucleotides: thymine, cytosine, adenine and guanine, which are present in DNA, and in RNA at the place of thymine uracil is present. Rest three are same, that is cytosine, then adenine and guanine. So when we are talking about the DNA, it is double stranded structure as you can see on the screen, and this is single stranded structure, that is RNA. Here nucleotides are thymine, cytosine, adenine and guanine, and in RNA thymine is replaced by uracil. So in RNA uracil, cytosine, adenine and guanine are present. Now we will see cytosine. Here structure is similar. Here amino group, nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen bounded with double bond. Here H2N, N, H, one side double bond, one side single bond. Here also similar. Then in guanine, as you can see, this is double bond O, then NH, then NH2. You can see two pentagonal structures are bounded with each other in guanine and adenine. In cytosine, thymine and uracil, they are single pentagonal structures, as you can see on the screen. Now DNA, it is a long polymer of deoxyribonucleotides. It is a characteristic of an organism. Length of DNA is defined as number of nucleotides present in it. It is found in all organisms except plant viruses, whereas RNA forms genetic material. In bacteriophage and virus, there is a single molecule of DNA which remains coiled and encloses in the protein coat. Number of DNA is equivalent to the number of chromosome per cell. Here, it should be clear to us that DNA is the genetic material or hereditary material which takes the characteristics from one generation to another. DNA never transfer, but characteristics are transferred, and this branch is known as genetics. Today, whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.